Iran significantly expanded two key ballistic missile production facilities after an October 2022 agreement, under which Tehran reportedly agreed to supply missiles to Russia, Reuters informs. According to the agency's report, the Iranian arsenal is currently the largest in the Middle East, estimated at more than 3,000 missiles. This weaponry includes modifications designed to carry conventional and nuclear warheads. Satellite imagery shows more than 30 new structures at the Madaris military base in March and the Kojir production complex in April. The images show numerous structures surrounded by large earthen berms. Experts associate these berms with missile production, likely intended to prevent explosions in one building from affecting adjacent structures. According to three Iranian officials speaking to Reuters, the facilities in the images are expanding to increase ballistic missile production. Some of the new buildings will also double the production of drones. It is probable that the drones and missile components manufactured there will be sold to Russia, with some drones possibly being transferred to the Houthis and missiles to Hezbollah. From the early months of the full-scale invasion, Iran has been a key ally supporting Russia's actions in Ukraine. Specifically, Tehran has supplied Moscow with kamikaze drones, which Russia have been using to attack Ukraine since the autumn of 2022. Additionally, Iran has developed a new, explosive, drone, Shahed 107, for Russia, which Moscow may deploy against Ukraine. The agency also notes that Iran is close to providing the aggressor country with ground-to-ground missiles. Meanwhile, Iran has not requested Russia's S-400 air defense system, an IRGC official said Sunday, emphasizing the superior capabilities of Tehran's domestically developed air defense systems. Our current systems offer far superior capabilities compared to the S-400, said Davoud Shikian, deputy for operations of the IRGC Aerospace Force, in a video interview shared by state-controlled media. He added that Iran is also actively using the Russian-made S-300 system and sees no need for the S-400. Despite Shikian's assertion that Tehran never requested the S-400, reports in recent years have indicated that Iran sought to acquire advanced military technology from Russia, including Su-35 fighter jets and the S-400 air defense system, which Moscow has yet to deliver. The S-400 system is widely regarded as one of Russia's most advanced air defense systems, with capabilities to track and intercept various aerial targets, including ballistic missiles and stealth aircraft. Multiple reports by Tehran's media outlets often spoke of negotiation to acquire the S-400, and there were even reports as recently as in August that Moscow had delivered the missiles. Russia completed its delivery of the S-300 air defense missile systems to Iran in 2016, according to its state arms export agency, after years of delays due to international pressure. Moscow initially suspended the contract in 2010 under Western pressure, but President Vladimir Putin lifted the ban in 2016 following an interim agreement with Iran. The decision to proceed with the delivery at the time raised concerns in Israel, as the S-300 systems could significantly bolster Iran's air defense capabilities.